Hi, Frank. I'm going to give you some feedback on your week 1 and week 2 entries here. I noticed that nothing appears here. So I'm going to say, please complete this because that's required. You can't just skip it. And then for your personal project, I don't see anything here at all. So that looks like that's incomplete. Maybe this will be a very short video. Um, so yeah, I see some guidelines here, but nothing there. Oh, original notes are here. Let's take a look. So I've worked on lesson 1 home activities, worked on this, community contributions, I've learned this, address. Okay, so you give me an idea of what you did, which is good. Gen AI prompts, outputs, and point form here. So this is for, okay, so this, yeah, okay. It's really important to kind of clean this up. Um, and so because therefore it looks like you've not done this. So this is for the activity, watch video instructions, search, watch additional, create benefits and some briefing document. Yeah, okay. So this is yeah. I would hope for a little more reflection and a little bit more of an analysis of what you did because it's 7 hours. It's a lot of time to spend on this. That's an insane amount of time to spend on it. So I'd like to know what you spend the time on. The second thing is um, Gen AI. That would go up here, right? Under this. So then I can get rid of that. Delete. So that's done. Check mark. And then this is your activity in class, I'm assuming. So that's your contributions in class, which is great. And yeah, so you've done, yeah, okay. So you've gone through the exercise, was excellent. And then doing 6, you've kind of gone through here in the final prompt. Okay, that's a lot of information. So that's good. So you've done those weekly activities. You didn't reflect on, let's see these original notes. What's this about? This is Gen AI reflections. Is this the same thing as this? I'm just trying to, that's the prompt. Original notes here. So I'm assuming that goes up here. I can't take time. Now I don't see anything. So we get rid of this. You've got these guidelines, but this is incomplete. You've done some in-class contributions, but you didn't reflect on that. And you've got a nice engineering course here, summary, which is good. So, although I don't know how you would have contributed to the class list here, I'm trying to see how that works. Did you? Oh, there you go. I don't know why that title is up there. That's not supposed to be. It's the trouble when you have multiple, you're putting documents in. Sorry, you have to watch this on video. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I reorganize this. I don't see you making a contribution here, so you have to do that. And then week 2 is completely empty. So yeah, I would put the warning bells on now. You want to catch up super quickly. and because you have to do week 2 and week 3. So please uh, aside, you start to fix this work and then do the other work. You've got some original notes in your JNI prompt. You need to give more detail about what you did. You don't seem to have a project yet. That's a problem. You have in-class contributions, so that's fine. That's adequate. You made a contribution here, but not really as in a paragraph. That's a bit hard to follow in the Excel spreadsheet. And then you've got some notes here, though. That's interesting. Okay, so you put some, that's good, some extra work there. And then what's this? Okay, the benefits. I'm just trying to sort out what you've got because it's organized. I have to go through 150 of these or 130 of them. And so you've got this feedback, benefits and challenges. That's the home activity that you're supposed to have, and then an APA format. So that goes up here to there, right? Because that's the Gen AI activity. So please organize it. So you've done the Gen AI activity, check. Put a lot of work into it, check. Nothing on the project. Okay on the in-class contributions, Gen AI resources you need to post here. And then you're missing all of week 2. Okay.